hard-earned prize, locked in the jaws of the world's most fearless warrior. The lead cheetah lunges, teeth sinking into the hair to wrench it away in an ancient tug-of-war. In this unforgiving landscape, a lost meal is a step toward the grave. The cheetahs had gravely underestimated the honey badger. They were expecting an easy victory. The two remaining brothers stand frozen, stunned by its courage, still hesitating to strike. In a split second, the badger rips the meal free, only for it to be snatched away from behind in an instant. Two flee with the feast, but the third predator stays to finish the fight. Teeth meet claw as one of the cheetahs is locked in a fight with the badger, greedy for a larger meal while the two other cheetahs started feeding on the hare. The badger explodes in fury, driving the cheetah back in sudden terror. But the predator rallies, standing tall to strike with lightning paws, raking claws across its iron-willed opponent. Locked in a desperate struggle, the young cheetah has finally pinned its formidable opponent. Muscle against grit, the cheetah, driven by hunger, finally managed to lock his powerful jaws on the badger's thick skull. But the badger's hide is as tough as rubber. A bite that could shatter a human bone barely scratches its skin. Its body goes limp. The silver-backed warrior seemingly crushed under the cat's immense pressure. A momentary stalemate, each gauging the other's resolve. The badger, now brimming with confidence, presses the attack relentlessly. For the honey badger, there is no retreat, only the preservation of its very existence. The rhythm changes. The cheetah strikes with blinding speed, but his opponent refuses to yield. The great cat is visibly shaken, unsettled by a raw strength that seems to radiate from a far smaller, more compact frame. The cheetah begins a deadly orbit, searching for any slip in concentration. But the badger turns with him, a low-slung mirror of pure aggression, ensuring there is no blind spot, no weakness for the cat to exploit. The cheetah still holds its ground, but its stamina is waning, built for speed and short bursts, not prolonged combat. For the badger, this is not just a skirmish. It is the final, violent barrier between continued existence and the silent void. The badger drives his fangs into the cheetah's neck, tearing a cry of pain from its throat.